Do you feel like you started too late on your journey to financial freedom? What if there was a way to start late and finish financially free and rich? Would you take the journey? Despite what you might think, even on ordinary income, you can transform how you save, how you earn income, and how you invest. There are simple strategies and fundamentals that everyone can do to finish strong. Keep in mind, this journey is like a marathon, not a sprint. You need to start slow and pace yourself. Here are some simple ways to put yourself on the right path. First, set a daily savings goal. See if you can save $5 a day. If you're married, see if you both can save $5 a day. Try to make it a goal or challenge. Then increase your savings goal over time. Bump it up to $10 a day. Then $20 a day. Eventually, it will become natural to be saving more of your income. Those on the financial freedom track can save upwards of 50% of their income due to continued growth in this daily savings goal. Second, eliminate overconsumption and spending. This will go well with the savings goal. It's difficult to save $5 a day if you are overspending on unnecessary items. This simple trick helps many people obtain financial freedom. Third, eliminate debt. Simple concept, but debt is one of the biggest stressors for individuals and families. Many people who have gotten out of debt have used Dave Ramsey's snowball method. This is a good approach for debt reduction. After these simple strategies, then you can consider the following. 1. Increasing your investments in stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments to create passive income. Let your money work for you. This is the most passive approach to earning income. Learn about passive investment strategies and how to utilize low-cost ETFs and mutual funds to invest. 2. Investing in real estate as a source of passive income. There are many approaches to real estate investing, but consider if you want to be active or passive in your management of these investments. Then you can build a plan of how to invest. 3. Starting a business on the side, while you keep your job, and continue to earn a paycheck. This can be a home-based business, which will increase your income. 4. Explore the other forms of passive income seen in the above video. You can spend less, save more, and make more, and it doesn't have to be painful. Don't let the past get in your way of the future. Give yourself a break about past decisions or mistakes, and focus on what you can control. Today and tomorrow are in your control. You can reset your mindset and focus on thriving. Don't lose any more sleep over worrying about the future, and spend time focusing on what is most important to you. Break the financial handcuffs of living paycheck to paycheck. Financial freedom is up to you, and you can live the life you were meant to live. If done well, you can and will be able to go for your dreams. It's never too late to start. Thanks for watching.